Do the Inquisitive Joe voice.
John, this is Inquisitive. John, I need to talk to you. This is a serious thing.
Inquisitive Joe, stay out of this.
I roommate with Josh. I just beat him off the computer and talk to me. Dude, John, talk to me. John, I just want to let you know that whatever was between us, let's just put it aside because I want you. Oh God, I want you so bad, John. The moment I looked into your eyes, sorry, the secrets are getting to me. The moment I looked into your eyes, John, we can share a cigarette.
Oh man.
Please, John. For me. No one else.
Is our Facebook infiltrator still in there? Hey. Bump with the arm? Yeah.
John, I just got out of prison. It was hell. In prison for a week.
Nothing like those YouTube whores.
I've been there, man. Been in that side of the war. It's not a good place to be.
At least those YouTube partners don't fuck your anus.
They don't even give you a cigarette once you're done.
My prostate still hurts.
They didn't support prostate cancer. They only supported breast cancer in prison.
It's basically Obamacare. Did I mention I'm not Republican?
John, I'm liberal, just like you. I don't believe in God, just like you.
No, Joe believes in God. Joe believes in God.
What was that?
Joe believes in God.
No, I don't, because I love John. I love John.
Sometimes I get one, sometimes I get two.
John, who is that cheating slut over there? Whoever she is, she can't be a happy man I am.
Missing in the room.
Tell that bitch to bring it on. Let's go, slut. Let's go.
Oh God. You wanna watch one of UTS videos while we're waiting for him to come back?
I want to watch that faggot UTF. Wow! This shit isn't a fucking joke.
Hey, UTF, what do you think of that I Must Destroy All guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what? I totally converted him. That was all me, man.
Yeah. Yeah, John.
What do you think of that Inquisitive Joe guy, the guy with the sexy hair and the sexy eyes? Oh God, John, I love you so much.
John, I want him back.
John, oh, let's say that he was gone the whole time.
Come on, John. I want you in me, John.
John, quit smoking while you can right now. Smoking was what gave me my voice. It's not a pretty thing.
Get in bed with me and Inquisitive Joe.
Baron, shut up. I need to let you know the dangers of smoking cigarettes.
See if I do it, give you a band.
Oh, John, that was beautiful. Do it again. Oh, right in my face. Oh, God, yes. Oh, give me another slap, burp you. Oh, God. Slap your logic and reasoning right across my face. Oh, bust out your greasy logic and put it on me. Oh, God.
Hey,
oh, God. Spew out your reasoning all over me.
UTF, would you like a Canada A 1969 in here? I don't know if you have beef against him, but I can bring him in the call if you like. Just type it in there. I know you're too.
Somebody mentioned that one bitch, Christina.
Martha?
Christina? Black Eyes?
Lindsay?
Remember that one bitch I was talking about?
Martha.
One with the black eyes. Yeah, bitch.
The one that called my Peter nice.
Your mother.
The one that called my Peter nice.
I'm going to repeat this so you can hear it. Remember,
Martha.
guys, I'm talking to the
Martha.
because I don't care about you.
John. This is Inquisitive Joe, and I feel like you.
He's laughing at the Inquisitive Joe impression.
Huh?
John, did you know that the questions are more important than the answers?
Yeah, just my webcam here.
Moving your mic around, you little whore bag. I'm just gonna put my cock in you by the end of tonight, so you might as well enjoy it.
Oh man.
I'm gonna treat you to my cock tonight, John.
Can you get your little girl over here so that we can talk to her?
Bring in Martha.
Yeah, Martha.
I want to tell that bitch a thing or two about showing my Johnnies and her tits. John only shows me his dick, you understand, lady?
Nice.
John's dick is the only thing he's only allowed to show me, you understand me? That dick is mine.
Quick, make noises. I need to make the impression that I have a life.
Come on, John, bring your mother in.
Guys, I'm just gonna play some dubstep to make fun of them. Oh yeah. John, keep playing that dubstep, it turns me on slow.
You're really edgy, John. You're really on the ball.
Oh, he's trolling.
Clickety click click.
John, oh God, John.
Does anybody still have the Martha chick? Martha.
John, you have such a logical penis.
You can't put the microphone too close to the speakers, otherwise I'll hear myself.
No. They're not rich.
Bring your mother in here.
Well, they never play this live with electric violin in it.
Let me get that Martha chick in here. Hold on.
Yeah, try to bring her.
She hasn't blocked us yet. What's her name again? I don't know what it is.
Probably.
Yes.
A lot better.
Martha Cat. What's her Skype name? Because I can't see it on here.
I almost hope she walks in here.
How do I find my own contacts?